Sorry about the shaky phone. It's New Year's Eve. What can I say? I wanted to show people, if anybody stumbles across any of these ridiculously, terribly shot videos, it's more than anything gives me something to do. Oh, I want to show something on the side. I'm going to pause this. I've been trying different materials in my little filter floss section, and that's what I've been using up until lately. I wanted to try some batting, and so what I have here is probably 6 pieces of batting layered. It's pretty thin batting. You can get thicker batting if you want, and this batting's been rinsed out once too. So these black lines show me, show me the back pressure in the filter section. When I run it with nothing, it'll be at the bottom line. After I first change the filter material, it'll be at the first line. And now it's here. And when it gets up to that top line, I change it, because at that point, little spits are spilling over into the skimmer section. I'm going to pause this again and show you how I feed the Refugeum. Okay, so I started thinking maybe I could put a drill, a fitting into that pipe there and have a tube come over down into the Refugeum section. But that barb, I don't think any water would come out of it, because at that point water is just pretty much falling straight down in there. So out of desperation and just screwing around, I grabbed this and stuck it in there, stuck it up his bung. And look what happens. And you know, the solution was so easy, and so easy to undo if I don't like it. And I get some pretty good flow out of it, actually. I think I'm going to use it. Happy New Year, people. Sorry about the shaky camera.